Online students, is board visible? Okay. Listen. Last class we are trying to understand how to read values from the keyboard by using buffer reader, right? All the people understood? Everyone? Any questions? Yeah, many people have tried yesterday example how to develop, and people have sent me messages in WhatsApp for the different doubts. That's nice. And remember, you never try to understand. That is a big mistake every time you are doing. Don't understand. If you understand, you never understand. Again, I'm repeating, my statement is clear. Don't try to understand. If you try to understand, you never understand. What you have to do? Accept. Remember, start, apply. Slowly, automatically will understand. Arey, Babu Karnar, ఏం చేస్తున్నామా? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? రాసుకున్నావా? వినరా, క్లాస్కి వచ్చి కూర్చొని క్లాస్ వినరా, మొబైల్ అవతబడి ఏంట్రా బాబు? మరి ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? నేనేదో మాట్లాడుతున్నా కదా, విను. Now, everyone look at here. This is our console. Is it visible? This is console. Console means what you are feeling? Command prompt. Command prompt, after typing Java command, some screen is open, na? That JVM running screen, that part, that empty space is called what? Console. Console. Next, this console is part of whom now? Your system. This is your system. System is nothing but computer. System is nothing but computer. In your system, you have command prompt. In a command prompt, you run Java command. Okay. This is Java command you run. Java. What is the name of the program yesterday? Edition. Okay. Java edition we have run. Last year, visible? Okay. Java edition. Then when you press enter, currently this is command prompt. Okay, na? In the command prompt, when you press enter, now the console will be started. This window is a command prompt window. This command prompt window, background will contain one screen called our console, which you cannot see. This console implicitly will be connected to the keyboard. Who will connect? Not you, system. System only background connected to keyboard. This is keyboard. When you start the system, you are giving plug, na? Right? So your CPU plug is automatically connected to background console here. This is a wire connection or internal connections. We don't worry. This is connection. Okay. This is keyboard. Assume all these are buttons, keys, tab. Okay. This is our system here. This everything is your system. Is it clear? Now the question. In the system, when you run Java edition class execution started. Where? In the console only. Okay, in the console only JVM is started. For your understanding purpose, just I am writing side. This is our JVM. This is our JVM. In the JVM, now our edition class is available. In the JVM, the class called edition is available. Class edition, the complete program, open bracket, main method, string errors, that entire thing is available. Okay. So just visualize that. I'm not writing fully. Observe what happened background. The moment when I type Java edition, control is coming to where now? JVM. Inside JVM, we have edition class. Now, the moment JVM is started to this console, how many connections are opened? I told 3 connections are opened. By default, there are 3 connections are opened. First one, what is this? System dot out. Okay, let me take system dot in. First one is what? System dot in. Second one, system dot out. System dot err. Internally, totally 3 connections are there. So system dot in, system dot out, system dot er, 3 connections are available. Now, this connection is opened by whom? JVM. The moment JVM started, automatically connection is open. Then what you want to do? You want to read the data from the console, from the keyboard. Whatever the keys I pressed here, that keys data will be given to whom now? This connection. This connection is placing the data on the console. The moment I press enter on the console, this data is traveling via system.in, and giving to our Java program. In a Java program, what you are writing here? System.in you have written. Dot, what method you call? Read method. System.in refers to this connection. Okay, and the read method going into this connection object, whatever data available here, it is reading and giving to your program. Understand now? Tell me. Now, system.in problem is what? Its problem is what? It can read only one character or one digit. It read only one character or one digit. That is called 1 byte. It can read only 1 byte. You want only 1 byte or all bytes? All bytes. Complete 1 line. Then it is a bad style of reading. Then what I have to do? I have to require one extra object. Suppose you have a pipe connection from the water tank to your house. Then the water coming from the tank with all the dust particles and all the things are coming. I don't want all things. I want to filter the water, only water, pure water I want. The dust particles, everything I wanted to stop. For that, you are adding one filter now. Similarly, to this connection, I am adding one filter. To this connection, I am adding one filter. Now this filter will read 1 line at a time. This filter will read 1 line at a time. So our Java application, you are creating a inbuilt available. This connection inbuilt available. Now this connection reading the data from the screen, but reading only 1 byte at a time. Now, but I want all bytes available in 1 line. Then we have added extra connection. This extra connection is what? Buffer reader. But buffer reader, can I connect it to the system.in? No. Then what are you doing? You are adding the bridge object, ISR object, input stream reader object. Input stream reader object you have added. Then input stream reader object can give the data, but I need one more extra object from this. What the extra object? Buffered reader. What the object? Buffered reader. So tell me, it's like a pipe connection. One pipe connected to another pipe, connected to another pipe. So tell me, the data from the system.in coming to ISR, ISR giving the data to BR, then BR is giving the data to our program. Everyone understand our yesterday flow? Yesterday I didn't explain with the diagram. I don't want you first understand with the diagram. Previous batches, I tried with the diagram. Slowly, what happened? After Core Java complete, you go to Advanced Java, na? After Advanced was Springboard. Tell me, next level faculties are my students, they're following my teaching methodology? No. Then what happened there? They will write a statement. Connection con equal to driver manager connection. This line connect to the database. What is our style of learning? With memory diagram, with visualization. Next level faculties are teaching with visualization? No. Then there you are facing the problem. All seniors are coming back and asking, you start Advanced Java, you start Spring, I'm not understanding that. Then I asked, why you are not understanding? Everything you are explaining with the diagrams. There, sorry, is not explaining with the diagram. Writing one statement, writing one comment, connected to the database, connected to the executing query, getting the results. Then what it is doing background, we are not getting visualization, we are facing the problem. That's why I changed a little bit methodology according to next level. What next level style? Statement, what it is doing, that is doing, accept. But later, I have to make you understand, our style also very important. That's why First I am writing sentence, making you remember. Then next I will explain with memory diagram. Everyone understand the flow? Now tell me, what are the steps happen now up to now? Everyone try to answer. Step number 1. In the main method, what I written? Buffered reader br equal to br variable created. Buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader. Tell me, buffered reader is an object. Buffered reader is an object that contains our student number, student kind of variables. No, it contains data connection based object. It is not a normal object. It is what? Connection based object. That connection based object will be memory structure will be like this. Our regular objects memory structure is what? Circle with the control with the variables like this will be there, isn't it? But what objects you want? I want objects with a connection based. Connection based object representation will be like this. Understand that? Right. So tell me now, first what happened? You created br variable created equal to new buffer reader. Object is created, connected to whom now? New input stream reader. Connected to whom now? System.in. System.in connected to whom now? Console. Understood? So whenever I say buffer reader, can you visualize this diagram? Second point. Next statement, what I have written? System.out.println. Tell me, system.out.println means it is a out object connected to the JVM. Na? JVM already created with this. And now system.out.println. When you write system.out.println, this is system.out. From the system.out, messages are coming to console. What message first we have displayed? Enter. Everyone should participate. Enter first number. Once you enter first number, next line what you are written? What is that variable name? A variable is created equal to, you call what? Br dot read line. You call br dot read line. So tell me, what is the meaning of br dot read line? Read line method has the logic internally. Read line method has logic internally, reading the data from where? Br pointing object. Br pointing to which object? This connection. Then it will go to that connection. In that connection, is there any data available? When there is no data, can it read or cannot read? Cannot read. Then it is control is passed here. Okay, na? Understood my point? So tell me. So if you wanted to read data from the console, what method I have to call? Read line. Is read line directly going to the console? No. What it is doing? Read line method will go into BR object. In the BR object, do you have any data? No. When there is no data, what I have to do? Pass. You went to one supermarket for buying 1 kg of sugar. Now the sugar is not available in front of you. Then you give the order to the shop owner. Until shop owner going inside the shop, collecting that and bringing, you have to wait outside. Na? Same thing. So br.readline, you looking into the shop. In the shop, there is no sugar packet. Then what this owner is doing now? He is now, BR is nothing but shop owner. Shop owner is now started walking into the shop. From there to the place where sugar is available. Now cursor is blinking. Nothing but you are waiting for the enter the data. Tell me, now you are entering the data. What here? 10. Everyone participating? Just by entering the 10, is the data going into the program? What you did? You just enter 10. Today class is too much horrible. If you don't understand what I am explaining now, the next class, next program, we are learning scanner. Scanner is horrible. Scanner understanding not that much easy. Buffer reader properly, if you don't understand, scanner will torture you like anything. I cannot help you further. So that's why participate and reply along with me. When you call read line method, is the data immediately coming up? First program passing up. Why program passing? Because data not available in the buffer reader object. In buffer reader object, data not available. That's why program execution is pass. Everyone tell me, if I call read line method 2 times, how many times program execution passed? 2 times. First time, read line method looking into BR object, data not available. Then now we enter data, data come here, red. Now second time when I call read line method, where it is looking into? Again BR object. In the BR object, data is available or not available? Not available. Again it is a passing. As many times you call read line method, those many times program execution is passed because data not available in the BR object. Now I have a question. Everyone think, read line method should read how much data from the BR object? Whatever data in the BR object, all data it will read? No. It read only one line. It read only one line. Everyone tell me. How can BR object, how can read line method knows? One line reading completed, return the data. Second line reading completed, return data. After reading one line, it return the data to our variable and storing, isn't it? How it knows that one line is reading completed? For that, there should be an identity, na? So tell me, you are coming from your hostel to my room. Then you are walking on the road, continuously walking. No, how long you are walking? Under our building is coming. What is the name of this building? Nacker building. Until Nacker, my building coming. Then coming inside. Then you are floor by floor going up. No, first floor. Take left side. Go inside the class. Find the chair and sit. So that means you have some identity where to stop, na? Similarly, read line method should have identity where to stop. What is that identity? That identity is nothing but enter key. Identity is nothing but enter key. Enter key is nothing but new line character, na? So tell me, when you press just by typing 10 is not going into the program. 10 and also what? Enter key. Now the data is going into system.in. Into system.in, only 10 comma enter key character also. You are again waiting. Whatever you typed on the console, everything will go. What you type? Only 10 and enter character. 10 and enter key characters both will come. Then it is dropping into ISR. Only 10 enter key character also na. Then from there data is dropping into BR object. Only 10 and enter character. Excellent. 10 and enter key character. Then read line method reading entire data at a time. No. Character by character is reading. First character, second character, third character, fourth character, fifth character. How long until new line is found? Until enter key character is found. Yes, enter key character found. Then return the data. Okay, what is returning? 10 enter key also na. 10 enter key also na. Only 10 Adhyaksha. This enter key character not for my Java program. 10 enter key character for whom? Read line method. Everyone understand? So tell me, here 10 and enter key character coming as what? String. 10 and enter key character coming as what? String. 10 and enter key character coming as what? String. And then return 10. Now this 10 you have given to whom now? Integer dot parse int of double quotes 10k. Okay, I don't want, right? Now next parse int method, return the data as a 10 and store it inside what variable? A. All you guys understand the flow? Open notes now. Check. First line, what you have written? Buffer reader BR equal to new buffer reader. What the meaning of that line? Connection to the keyboard. Connection to the keyboard means you have to understand as pipe symbols. Understand pipe symbols. Okay, now everyone comfortable now? Getting visualization. Buffer reader BR equal to new buffer reader. This line is connected to the keyboard console. Okay. Second, enter first number. Message printed via system.out. Okay. Next, a variable, a memory created equal to BR dot read line. Read line means looking at console, looking into BR object. In BR object, data is there or not there? Then program execution is pass. Where on console cursor is blinking. Then next, now end user enter the data 10. Just enter 10 and sit silently. No, he press enter key. Enter key meaning is what? Move the data. Then the data is moving into system.in. From there to ISR. From there to BR. Data is going only entered characters, including enter key character. If enter key character is not passed, what is the problem? Read line method don't know how long it has to read, where to stop. So that's why enter key characters are the identification. Then the data is moving into scanner object. BR object. In the BR object, the data is available. Now the read line method started reading. Tell me the enter step numbers. Step number. Okay, BR object creation. Step number 1. Okay, BR object I am not considering. Read line method flow of execution. Tell me BR dot read line. Step number 1. Then looking into BR object. Step number 2. Data available or not available? Not available. Step number 3. Program execution is passed. program execution passed is step number 3. Then step number 4, data entered, press enter key. Step number 5, data is moved, 10 enter key with double quotes, and then entered into system.out.println 5, and then going into ISR object 6, then coming into BR object 7, and then BR.readLine method found the data, reading the data 8. Yes or no? Reading data 8 and giving to input stream 9, and then giving to a variable 10. Oh, 10 to 10. No confusion. Confusion masters you are, I know. No confusion. Better let me take 50. Oh, 5 to 50 again confusion. Confusion how much better kante జీవితంలో confusion. కొద్దిగా బుర్ర ఆడట్లేదు. Morning 7 a.m. one student asked me question. Shall I share? Should not get angry. Huh? I was explaining Java commands, how to create a jar file, and Eclipse, how to work with jar file in Eclipse. End of the class, he asked me wonderful, awesome question. Sir, how to use these commands in the Mac OS? Am I explaining Windows commands or Java commands? Explaining Eclipse, Windows, Eclipse. Whatever you do in Java, in Windows, same work you have to do in Mac OS. Na? That kind of wonderful questions you are getting means how worst way you are thinking, understand? Day by day, you are killing your thought process. That's what I am worrying. What question I am asking, you not having minimum common sense also. Windows key, Mac OS, Java is first day class. What is that? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Don't worry about operating system. In one OS what you do, same thing you do in another OS also. Day by day you are forgetting the things. Come back now. Step number 10. So in the step number 10, value 50 coming and storing in the variable. Everyone understand? Now the question, is this 50? I'm teaching English only. You don't understand? Now, after reading this 50, is this 50 still there in the buffer reader or removed? Removed. After reading, step number 8. Step number 8 reading. This is 9. Actually, it's not 10. This is 11. The moment it read 8, 9, 8. This is 10. This is 9. Removing data from here is 9 step. 8, read, 1 second, not here. Yeah, here also removed, obviously. Okay, removed. Here also removed. Here also removed. Okay, here let me write. Removing is 9 step. Reading and removing. Okay, got clarity here? Now tell me. You called, next what I written? System.out.println, enter second number. Then here message printed what? Enter second number. Now tell me, after printing enter second number, control is going down. What is written there? A variable, B variable? B variable equal to, what is written? br.readline. br.readline. Let me take another color. br.readline. When you call second time br.readline looking into br object. Do you have data? No data. Program execution continued up, passed. Then control is going to console, blinking. Okay, now user has seen, oh, you are blinking, you want data. No? Okay, I am entering 60, enter key. Then the data is started traveling to system.in. 60, enter key is coming here, double quotes. From there coming to 60, enter key, double quotes. From there coming to BR object, let me write on top. Then br.readline now, reading this data and removing from here. And then return to whom? Integer.parseInt of. And then integer.parseInt reading and storing in the variable. Data coming 60. Understood the flow of execution fully? Paka? Confident? Right. Next, remember, from the day beginning, first day onwards, I am telling you, when you don't understand something, don't allow me to go to next points to explain. Understood? If you don't ask me questions, when I ask, did you understand? If you don't say that I have questions or not understand, then how do I know? I'll move to the next points. Okay, when I move to the next points, then you will feel that not understand. You understood already, but you want some confirmations that you understood or not. If you raise the questions, I will explain again, then you will feel that, now thank you, sir, understood. There are two kinds of people are there. One person immediately understand what I explained. Second kind of person, they understood, but they don't know that they understood. So they will ask me, sir, this is right? Yes, Babu, right. Then thank you, sir. Now I accept it. And they are having filters in their brain. They're not allowing to go inside. They will stop there. After confirming from the HariKrishna, then it will be stored. So that's why whenever you feel something is a question, confusion, first you ask me, then allow me to go to next points. Clear? Understood? When you are leaving this door outside, everyone should have a feeling that, yes, today class, everything I know, let me open system and type the code. That feeling you should have. He explained something, I'm not getting to my mind, then don't go. Don't go outside door. Don't click on the leave button. Wait. Get the confirmation. Get understand everything. Then only go out. Some students will ask the questions in the class itself during. I am very happy for that. Once my explanation completed, I will ask, everyone clear? Understood? Then if you silently sit, Ammo, I don't ask. If I ask him a scold, let him scold. That's part of the course. Yeah, that code then Rajang Rasanda. Should not scold anything is there. Teacher means should scold. Student means should bear the scoldings. No, na tidite na kentra na cause nu cheppavale ade na kavali. I never care in my education. I never care about the faculty feelings. I always care about my feelings. Adkocha rada na sammandham ledu. Naaku vachin doubt nenu adiyasta ante. I used to torture my faculty like anything. I taught so many points to my faculties with my questions. And I encourage you to ask the questions. Because of your questions, my knowledge also will be improved. And your classmates' knowledge also will be improved. Okay, na? Remember it. I am so happy to explain you any topic 100 times also. I am okay for that. Until you understand, you should not leave me. I should not go to next points. Remember it and implement it. Online students, everyone understood? Write down. How you write? Shall I write diagram again? Or you copy? This either from the board you can copy or from the screen you can copy. Which one you want? Board or screen? Screen? Okay. Or else copy at home. Let's not waste time now. This diagram, board diagram, both I will send the pics, okay? After going to home, you copy. Remove, leave half page space. You understood concept, na? Writing notes time waste, okay. Here the 10 coming. Next, if I show my WhatsApp, you will cry. You will surprise, not cry, surprise. Yesterday at 11:33, one student sent message, hey, it's not working. Correct my answer. But 11:33 can try. And next, at 12:10, he only replied, thank you, sir. I understood. I solved the problem by myself. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay. So remember, any time you can send message. No problem. Always I'll be online. If I'm sleeping, I cannot respond. Okay, na? Next day, once I wake up, the first moment I will check what are the messages I receive and I reply to your messages and I'll go for next. Clear my point? 24/7, 365 days, I'll be available online. Okay. That's why Geo I bought. Okay. Yeah, right. Nimitta, okay. Sorry. Leave one page gap and next right out. How many of you know C language? C language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't ask any personal questions. Don't fear. Okay. Amma, if I raise hand, you may ask questions. Now few people know. Listen carefully. People who are coming from C language to Java, students, C faculties are crying on Java, saying that your Java is very nonsense. See, integer dot, parse int of, br dot, read like, throws IO exception. One more. It has so many problems. Problems of buffer reader object. Actually, buffer reader doesn't have any problem. C programmers creating it as a problem. In C language, look at here. This is a small budgie 3 lines we write. Printf, enter first number, int a, scanf, percentage d, ampersand a. Khatam. But in Java, see one steps I have tried. Import java.io.star. In import you're writing in Java. In C language writing hash include conio.h na. But how can I say C is easy? Tumri fellow. Second, inside program you are writing printf of enter first number. In Java, what you have written? System.out. Extra system.out writing. That is functional programming. This is object oriented program. Here you require just a function. There you need object dot. That's why system.out. Second, then next what you are writing? Int a equal to integer dot parse int of br dot readline. Br dot readline is nothing but what? Scanf. Scanf br dot readline. We are writing br extra buffer reader br equal to lot you are writing. Because Java is object oriented programming, you have to create object. C is a functional programming, so directly function. Okay. Next very important point. All C programmers are complaining on Java. See, in my C language, the given data automatically converted. I no need to do any conversion. Really? Blindless fellow. Blindless fellow. I mean, what? Blind fellow. Blind fellow. What is this? What is this percentage D? That is a format specifier, no? It is telling that the value whatever reading from the keyboard, scanf, scanf, you internally read the data from the console, convert it to decimal value and stored in A. That is the meaning. And to the scanf method, internally you are telling that what? Percentage D. Tell me, is this percentage D only percentage D na time to time changing? If you want to read integer, percentage D. Floating point number, percentage of character, string. Then how many percentages you are remembering? For each value, one separate format specifier there. But in Java also there. What is that format specifier in Java? Parse int, parse char, parse float, parse double. Tell me, remembering percentage D is easier. Remembering parse int is easier. Parse int you have to tell. Percentage D no. I'm not convincing you. Really, why? If you remember only one word, parse, enough. What type of value you want to read? Int, parse int. What type of value you want to read? Float, parse float. What type of want to read? Char, parse char. Yes or no? So tell me, Java is actually people are understanding in a wrong point of view. In C like this, in Java also should be like this. Wrong way they are learning and finally confusing. Online students, can you see the screen now? Okay. So they are understanding from the Java wrongly. The extra characters are there, That extra words and characters are there because of object-oriented programming style. In a C language, whatever you are doing, in Java, you are doing everything. But observe here percentage, double quotes, comma, these extra syntaxes are there in Java? No. Java is a plain English programming language, but people understanding is wrong. Then, initially, James Gosling ignored. Okay, initially ignored. Java is easy, follow. Up to 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, he ignored. But in Java 5 version, he realized that, array, why should I just one method extra if I add? C developers also happy, na? They will not cry. Why I should make them cry? Okay, then C style of reading data, C style of writing data introduced in Java 5 version. In Java 5 version, printf method is given with the same style, printf style. Okay, na? Now, in Java 5 version, scanf also available. Up to Java 1.4 version, we can read data from the keyboard only 2 ways. Number 1, either command line arguments or buffer reader. In Java 5 version, we have another approach, scanf approach. What is the scanf approach? Can I directly have the method scanf? First, I should have class. Java is a object-oriented programming language. So first what I should have? Class. From that class, I have to create object. Then inside the class, we have methods. Call those methods by using this object. Understood my point? Now look at here. In Java 1.5 version, Java 1.4 version, Sun Microsystem, considering Java people feeling that, okay, C people are feeling that C is easy, Java is very tough. Okay. And moreover, Java people are also complaining. Array, James Gosling, Bhaiya, you are forcing me to write throws IO exception. Did I get IO exception at runtime? No. Then why you are asking me to write? Question number 2. Okay, buffer reader BR equal to new buffer reader of new input stream. Oh my God, this much lengthy statement object creation. Why this? Okay, buffer reader filter system dot in direct connection. Then why in the middle conversion? Why you are asking me to convert? You do conversion yourself. Why this lengthy statement? That is another question rise. Next, integer dot parse int br dot readline. Okay, I want to convert it to int. I should write, you should write, all developers has to write same statement integer dot parse internet. I want to convert to double. All developers has to write double dot parse double. All developers has to write boolean dot parse boolean. Then when all developers are doing same work, why you are forcing the developers to do? In a first chapter, Sun Microsystem promised, you don't write, I will write. But now you are forcing me to write. Then James Gosling accepted. Okay, Java developers, I understood your problem. Okay, at a time, let me solve the problem of C developers and also Java developers. Then he has given one new class called scanner. What is the name of the class? Everyone tell me. Why the name is scanner? Reader, reader. Scanner, scanner. Print, printer. Remember? Right? Scanf. Scanf is not a scan by formatting. F stands for what? Formatting based on the percentage D. Scan, scanner. So buffer reader class, this lengthy statement is replaced with a small class called what? Scanner. Point number 1. Then if I use a scanner, I no need to handle IO exception. It is handling internally. As a developer, you no need to do that. Next, int a equal to here integer dot parse int of br dot readline. This lengthy statement is shortcutted with a single method called next int. SCN, scanner object you have to create, following by what? SCN. Create scanner object, scanner, SCN equal to new scanner of. Hello, I have to pass system.in. System.in you have to pass. So created scanner object scanner, SCN equal to system.in, following by, now I have to call SCN object dot. I want read int. What method I have to call? Next int. I want read double. Come on guys, please listen, answer. I want read float. Long. How many parse methods you have? Hey. 7. Parse char method is not there, na? Parse char is not the 7. Then how many next methods are there? 7 plus 1. Why 8? Why that plus 1? I should read string, na? String. Br dot readline by default reading string. But now scanner method, I should have one more method for reading string. Let's try to identify. Number 1, first method. Next, byte. Second method. Full method name, right? Next short, next int, next float, next long, next float, next double, next, no next char, next boolean, next. What is the method name? Next, only next. Also one more method is there, next line. Next line. There are 2 methods for reading string data from the keyboard, next and next line. So totally how many methods in scanner class? 9 methods. Once again, next byte, next short, next int, next long, next float, next double, next boolean, next line. Totally 9 methods are there. Based on the type of the data you want to read, you have to call the respective method. Everyone understand? So tell me, when we have already buffer reader class, why scanner class is given? Because buffer reader has few problems. Problem number 1, we must handle IO exception even though it never occurred. Never raised or never occurred. Second, BR object creation statement is lengthy and input stream object creation is confusion to the beginner. Next, we cannot read the value directly in its original type. We must convert every value into its own primitive data type. This conversion logic is common to all programmers, repeated code. Third problem. All the people look at here. Sorry. All the people look at here. On console, I am giving both 50 space 60 at a time. Press enter. Enter number. I entered 50 space 60. It is like a command line arguments application. Like a command line arguments application, two values at a time I gave and press enter. Then 50, 60 enter key came into system.in. From there comes to buffer reader. Input stream reader. From there come to BR. Listen, when I call read line method, will it return only 50 na? Complete 50 space 60 na? I want only 50. I want only 50. Is a BR read line method. Buffer reader has that facility to return only first number, return only second number? No. You have to write extra code. You have to write extra code. You have to write extra code. Observe. When we enter multiple values from console, we cannot read each value individually. We must develop some more additional logic to split all values, read each value and convert it into primitive data type. This extra logic we have to write. I should write, you should write, all people should write. Then what is the solution to these four problems? Bolo. Scanner. In Java 1.5 version, a new class is given called scanner by solving all these problems. Now, what is a scanner? Reading runtime values by using scanner class. The class scanner is a newly given in Java 5 version. Scanner class defined in Java dot which package? Buffer read in which package? IO. It is available in which package? Util. If we want to use scanner class, which package I have to import now? Util package. Hence, we must add import java.util.scanner in our Java file. Yesterday, after class, some people come and ask me, sir, why you have written import statement? I told, read notes and come tomorrow. Did you get clarity? Why I have added import statement? If you want to access the classes available in another package, you have to add import statement. As long as you are accessing the classes which are available in within our folder, no need to add import statement. If you want to access the classes available in another folders, I have to add what? Import statement. By BR class available in our package? No. That's why we have to write what? Java.io import statement. Scanner class available in our package? No, it is available in another package. So I have to write java.io.util.star package import statement. Okay. Then you must get one question. System class, string class are not available in our package now, sir. Then how are we able to access? They are available in a default imported package. Default imported package. What the package? Java.lang. Any class available in java.lang package are default imported. Default imported. You don't need to write import statement. Other than java.lang, any other class you are trying to access, you must add what? Import statement. Clear my point? Right. Then now hence we must add import java.utils in our Java file. Next, scanner class defined with several advantages. What is that? Number one, we can read values from keyboard directly in their original type. We no need to use a wrapper classes parse method. Next, we can allow user to enter either one value at a time or multiple values with a space separator like in command line arguments application. And our program can accept each value separately. First value, second value, third value. I'll write a program and show you that. Okay. Next. We no need to handle any exception. Next, object creation statement is short and direct. We must create scanner object as below. Scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. Look at that. Is it easy for you now? I want scanner object connected to whom now? Keyboard. No proper, no further conversions are not required. Next, scanner class defines several methods for reading values from the keyboard directly in their original type. All method names are starts with parse or next. Next, wrapper class methods are parse. Here, next, like what? Public, xxx, next, xxx. Tell me, parse method flow is what? Public, xxx, parse, xxx. Here, xxx is nothing but what? Primitive data type name. Everyone understand? Tell me, parse method throws number format exception. Suppose I want to read int, but you are passing string, then it will throw number format exception. Tell me, next int method is responsible for reading what? Int. But you are entering what? String. Now input matched or not matched? Not matched. What input you are asking? Int. But what you are sending? String. Then it will throw new exception. What is that? Input mismatch exception. Sir, should I handle it? Not required. Like IO exception, like number format exception, you don't need to handle it. Okay, JVM will automatically handle it. So finally, what you need to do? Previously, you call parsing of next int method, parsing of big line method. In that big line place, what I have tried simply next int method. Okay, if you pass the wrong value, it will throw what exception? Input mismatch. As long as you are not passing wrong value, you will not get any exception. Totally, how many methods available? 9 methods. Scanner class contains the below 9 methods from the reading, primitive values and string for reading, primitive data type values and string. What is that? Next byte, next short, next in, next long, next float, next double, next boolean, next and next line. Okay, na? Right? Then, like parse char method, here in the scanner class also, we don't have next char method. Hence, by using scanner class approach also, we must read a character by using, I will tell you, I didn't explain it. Okay? Tell me now, all people are now get some information about scanner in your brain. Are you ready to write program now? Tell me now. This is the program style. If you want to read methods, how can I read? Int I1 equal to SCN dot next int. Next int method. Whenever you call SCN dot next int method, now the next int method looking for integer in which object? Scanner. In the scanner object, data available or not available? Not available. Then it will go to console and pass the program. You enter a data, then the data come to system.it. From there come to scanner. Then scanner next int method is reading. After reading, still data there are removed. Understood? Right? And then I call next line method. In the next line, I call next long method. Again, next long method go to scanner. In the scanner, data not available. Program execution is passed. So if you want to read the data, this is the way you have to call. Okay? Now we are going to write a program now. Ready? Huh? Develop addition class to read. Try. This entire notes slides I will upload. Okay, na? Don't worry about the notes. So just accept your mind. What finally, listen. Finally, what should be there in your brain? First command line, how I have written program. Next, buffer reader, how I have written. Next, scanner, how I have written. From here to here to here, what are the differences coming? The entire theory you don't need to remember. Just for reference purpose, theory is required. But theory you don't remember. Only remember what? Program. Command line arguments, how? Buffer reader, how? Scanner, how? What the problem with the command line? What are the advantages with the command line? What the problem with the buffer reader? What are the advantages with the buffer reader? What the problem with scanner? What are the advantages with scanner? Only that much you remember. Extra points, don't remember. Just notes purpose you can have. Clear my point? Write down. Working with scanner. What space? Right? Yeah, after diagram, no need to write any space. Already points are there in. I'll upload now. Continuation right. After diagram space, directly write this question. Tell me now step number one. Import statement. Right? Try yourself. Import data. Yes. Yesterday one student written import.java.lang. And he asked, sir, it's not working. Dot why you written about? Import space. That's why you have to pronounce while writing. You have to read the program also. Import space java. What the package? Util java.util JU small letters. Package name all letters are smaller. Dot which class you are accessing? Scanner. S smaller capital. Capital scanner semicolon. Everyone able to write first line? Why you have written that line? To tell to compiler in which package scanner is available. Why you are writing import? To tell to compiler software in which package scanner is available. Okay, na? Next, write on class. After import statement, class. Class, what is the name of the class? Addition. Main method. Main method. Do I need to handle any exception? No. Harshavardhan, I'm not repeating, Rabbi. You have to write yourself. Why you are following me? Sandeep, why you are writing dot after import? Space you have to write, not dot. I small letter. Main method. Throws IO exception required or not required? Not required. Close, open main method. What is the first statement in the main method? Why you are writing this program? For reading data from the keyboard using scanner. So first I have to connect it to keyboard. For that, which object I have to create? Scanner. Create scanner. Scanner. SCN equal to scanner. SCN equal to new scanner of. Of means parenthesis. You want to connect scanner to whom? Keyboard. What the keyboard object? Write down system.in. In bracket system.in. Close bracket semicolon. People who practiced yesterday, today you can write program freely. If not practiced yesterday, today you come just like that difficulty class. Every class is depending on previous classes. S cap letter, small letter, cap letter. Next line, what I want? Keyboard connection ready. You contacted a friend. Ring, 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 ring. He lifted. Connection is open. What is your mobile? Scanner. What is your friend mobile? System.in. And now tell me, what you need to do? Hello? Hello? Right? Hello is nothing but printing message. What? Write down. System.out.println printer. Print. System.out.print of double quotes. Enter first number. Enter first number. Online students, I am not typing anything on the screen. I am asking you to write the code. Just I am helping. Now the message is printed on the console. You want to go to next line, na? In next line, what you want to do? Read the data and store it inside variable A. Write down int A equal to what I have to write? SCN dot. What is the method I have to call? Next in I capital letter semicolon. What happened at this line number? Program execution is passed on the console until you enter 10 enter key. Then next line method reading 10, returning to our program stored in A. What next? What next? Second number I want read. Write down. System.out.print enter SNO. Take print, don't take println. System.out.print of double quotes enter SNO. Then next I want read one more number. One more number means repeat SCN dot next int method call one more time. Int B equal to SCN dot next line semicolon. Int B equal to SCN dot next int. Next int parenthesis semicolon. Now two numbers are available in the program. What next I have to do? Add them. Int C equal to A plus B. Int C equal to A plus B. SOPLN result. Close main method, close class. Completed? Compile. Compile and execute, Ravi. Who will do that? Execute it successfully. Come on, compile. Java C. Edition.java. Dot class file is created. Edition.class. Everyone, come on, compile and execute. Very important. Dot class file created. Then execute. Java. Edition. Press enter. Then what happened? Write down. Enter first number. Enter. What the 10? Enter key. Wait. 10 enter key. Wait. After 10 enter key, what happened? After 10 enter key, what happened? 10 comes to your program, no? And store it inside. Scanner. From there, store it inside. A. Right on side, A variable 10. A double 10. And now next line. What is the next line? Enter second number. Now you are entering 20. Enter key. What happened? 20 will come to scanner. From the scanner, next in reading and store it inside B. Create B variable with value 20. Next, finally, C variable. Create C. C variable with what value? 10 plus 20, 30. Then result. Now result will come. Flow you should understand. Result colon 30. Everyone understand? Look at here. This is the program I asked. రాసారా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. यही है प्रोग्राम. एक बार चेक करो, तुम्हारा प्रोग्राम मेरे प्रोग्राम एक ही है नहीं. Alay Babu dialogue, both are not same. Ali got confidence on writing program. Still confusion? Spelling mistakes, space mistakes, grammatical mistakes. Should avoid. This program we write daily from today onwards. Today Thursday, na? Yepo. Wednesday na Thursday? Thursday. Tomorrow holiday, why? Shivratri holiday you want? No holiday. Only we will give holiday for two things. Deepavali, festivals. Deepavali, Dasara, Sankranti, Christmas, Ramjan. Ante. Only 5 festivals. No Holi, no other things. Only for 5 festivals, only holidays. No Ugadi, nothing. You are here for holidays purpose, sir. Listen. This is the diagram. Execution flow diagram. Ready? This diagram important. Okay. Buffer reader later you can copy. Now you have to write it. Write down. Execution flow diagram. Next month elections are there. Then go and give election and come. In Telangana, what is the problem? Please follow me. Please listen. Please follow me. What I am asking, that only you write. First, what should write? Console. Console with all addition. Enter first number, enter second number, everything. No, let us follow the steps. Okay. Write down console with empty dabba. Don't write anything inside. Only console box. Console box. Only console box. Don't write inside. Okay. Then this side. Edition class JVM empty dabba. And connect console to edition class system.in. Don't create scanner object. Don't create scanner object. Only system.in. Console, edition class JVM box, dabba box, okay? And create connection between console to system.in. Don't write scanner object. Scanner object is not yet created. In console, what first statement written? Java edition. Java edition present. Edition class JVM is started, connected to system.in. Up to now, understand? Everyone written? Online students? Wherever you have confusion, please ask. Don't allow me to the next point. Wherever you have confusion, immediately ask me. Hey, Hari, wait, I'm not understanding. Okay. Now, next up is what? Main method. Inside main method, what you created? Scanner SCN. Create SCN box. This corner. SCN. With the 10 only SCN. Excellent. Only SCN. Then create scanner object connecting to system.in. Listen, system.in, this circle exactly here only, no need to connect. Okay. People are looking where connect. Oh, extra line also came. No. Just Uramari you write. Scanner object you create circle connected to system.in. With 6 to 7 arrow marks, empty. Empty. Pray. Here object. Scanner object should connect to system.in. Copy also you're not doing properly. Extend that circle. Extend that line to the circle. This is a scanner separately, system.in is separately. If you write, where is the data flow connection? Copy ra babu. Don't show your talent away. Think like LKG, I should also take your books and correct and give back. Now, what happened up to now? First open console, then Java edition, then edition class JVM started connecting with what? System.in, then main method, inside main method, scanner, SCN variable, new scanner, scanner object connected to system.in created. Up to now, everyone came? Next step. Enter first number message. Come to the console, right? Enter first number colon. Enter first number colon. Next up, int a, create a variable down. Give the space in the middle. A box. Look at the screen and write down. A box. You have to write C also. A memory created. The next equal to SCN dot next line. Write down SCN dot next line. Don't write arrow marks. Only SCN dot next line dabba. What it is doing? What SCN next line is doing? Looking into scanner object. Write down this arrow mark line connecting to scanner and pause there. Don't write written arrow mark. Only scanner. Write line into scanner. You also look, your data not there. Data there or not there? Not there. When data not there, what happened? Go to console. Write down this blue color line. Underline. Cursor is blinking there. Writunara, chustunnara. Writing or watching? Next one is what? 5 enter. Type 5, press enter key. Now data is moving into where now? System.in. In a system.in, arrow mark to system.in, 5 enter key both will come. That coming into scanner object, 5 enter key. Online students, writing? Now tell me. Now next int method is activated. Now written arrow mark into SCN with double quotes 5. Enter key will not come. On this 5 in the scanner object, on this 5 right strike line, because data is removed. In a scanner object, on this 5 right strike line, that means data is read. And then written as 5 SCN dot next line connecting to a variable 5. Everyone understand what I said? Flow catch me? Any confusion? Can you do the work for next one? What is the next line written in the program? Enter second number. Second number is printed on console with underscore, with blinking symbol, no blink symbol. No blinking. Just enter second number printed. Then next B variable, B memory create. B memory create. Next SCN dot next in. Everyone, look at here. SCN dot next in. Again going to scanner object. Looking there in the scanner object. Is there any data? No data. Data there. Oh, 5 already read, no? You written already strike mark, na? All written strike mark, right? 5 is not there. In the scanner object, data there or not there? There. Next int method should read only int. But along with int also, enter key characters came, na? Adhyaksha, understood? Next int method read only the int and enter key characters are ignored. Tell me, in the scanner object, enter key characters are still available. Remember it. This will torture you in the next program. Next program will torture you. That's why I'm telling this. Enter key characters are still available. But listen. Now, this next int method, looking into the scanner object, found the enter key characters. Next int method reading line or data? Data. Then it will also ignore it. Now tell me when the strike mark is coming on this enter key. For first enter, second enter. Second int. Now write down strike mark. It ignore enter key characters and then pass the program. Go here and blink blue color. All right, students, understood? So repeat once again, very important point. Everyone talk along with me. When I enter data, the data plus enter key characters both came into scanner object. Next method read only data, left that scanner, leave that enter key characters in the scanner object as it is. Then who will remove that? Who will remove the data inside? Next line. Okay, now next method, when you call next time next method, that will remove the data. Okay, and passes the program. Clear? Now second next int method, ignoring that enter key characters and then pass the program. Come on, now we are here onwards flow is same. Type 6 enter key came into system.in, came into scanner object. All are writing correctly na wrongly na, as you like? Correctly understanding and writing? Then 6 enter key reading by whom now? Next int. Everyone tell me here 6 enter key both strike only 6. Only 6. Still scanner object contain enter key characters. Now next line, next int method reading the 6 and only double quotes 6 and return to B variable stored in the B variable. And down next line, int C equal to A plus B. Now A value, B value, 2 arrow marks, adding and storing 11 in C. Now the C value, next line, system.out.println of result C. C value going to console, result colon 11. Completed? I will prove every point you have learnt. Okay, every point I explain, I will prove that. Internals also I will prove that. Now when I see scanner, when people say scanner, it is meant for reading primitive value as it is without writing any extra code. Then what the flow of execution? Scanner connected to system.in and then next int method reading data. Okay, clear? Let me try this program in system. Always first I prefer you practice in the notes, then we'll go for the system for learning, checking what you learn is correct or wrong. This is yesterday buffer reader 04. First program, static nature. Second, command line. Third, system.in.read. Fourth, buffer reader. Copy paste. Now scanner. I always learn, listen, I never learn new topic as a new topic. Everyone, I never learn new topic as new topic. I always compare previous program to the next program. What I learned previous program, what I am learning in the new program. Previous program I learned reading data from buffer reader. Now I am reading data from scanner. So what are the changes? Util.scanner. Addition main method. In main method, do I need throws? No. Remove. Connecting to keyboard by using scanner. Scanner SCN equals to new scanner of new input stream reader place system.in directly. It is directly connecting to keyboard. Then any change here? No. Any change here? Yes. In place of integer dot parseInt of br dot readline, SCN dot next in. Okay. Next again enter second number, integer place SCN parseInt place next no argument because it implicitly reading. then int c equal to result. Save it. Katam. Control 1. Hope you remember. Command prompt. Command line arguments only we have to run from command prompt. Buffer reader and scanner directly we can run from edit plus. Control 1, compile. Control 2, execute. Enter first number 10, second number 20, result 30. Everyone understood? Can you write one more program now? I want to read name. I want to read name. To read name, which method I have to write? Next or next line. Next method I can use or next line also I can use. Write down. Develop a program. Develop a program to read name of a person. Read name of a person from the keyboard by using scanner. Sir, tomorrow class is very, very important. Tomorrow I am launching operators. Today we are finishing this chapter, okay? Reading runtime values. Tomorrow I am launching operators. How many people don't know anything about languages, programming language? Completely new. Java is the first language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, people who know already some programming language, C or C++ or Java already. Okay. People who don't know anything in Java, tomorrow onwards they will enjoy a lot. People who already know C, C++, they will start crying from tomorrow. No, Hindu sir. Two reasons. Reason number one, they have a feeling, already I know operators, control flow statements. Why are you teaching again? Second, whenever I'm teaching, people started comparing C, C++ with Java and started confusing. People who don't know anything with empty brain, they will start enjoying because every point taking directly. So I'm requesting, when tomorrow you are coming to class, make your brain non-C, C++ brain. Okay, na? Empty brain and come to the class. Now tell me, what's the first statement? Import java.util. Star scanner. Scanner. Star also you can write, but not recommended. Next. Create scanner object. Scanner, not scammer. Scanner. SCN equals to new scanner. Are you practicing typing? Did I give typing website? Typing.com. Daily 15 minutes you have to try. Are you practicing English? Communication skills, daily 15 minutes. Half an hour for typing and English. Otherwise, you will become baba in the interview room. Then next what I write? System.in. Scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. What happened here? Data reading are connected to keyboard. Connected to keyboard. Now I have to prompt message. Prompt message and print message. What I have to write? Enter name. Colon. Enter name colon. Next what I should write? Int. Sorry. String. Name equal to. What I have to call? SCN dot next. Only use next method. Only use next method. And then you write system dot out dot print ln of double quotes. You entered. Do one thing. You have written already this line now. Please give one line gap and then write this statement. You entered plus name. Close main method, close class. Save it. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా doubts ఉంటే అడగండి. Do you have any doubts in this program? Ask. When I see this program, I am able to visualize this diagram. Are you? When I see this program, I am able to visualize this diagram. Okay, console, Java read name, JVM started, system.in connected. scanner, SNU scanner, scanner object is created. Then enter first name, enter name is message printed. SCN dot next. Now next method is looking into scanner object. In the scanner object, no data. Then pass the cursor on the console. Then the user are forced to enter data. Okay, control 1, compile successfully. Control 2, enter name. Cursor passed because of print message, because of next method caller, next method. I'm writing Hari. Wow, my name is coming in the program. Wow. Correct? Now, you have to encourage yourself, Prabhay. When you see output, wow, a wonderful program I written. Chindra program. You have to encourage yourself. Okay, you have to say always wonderful program written. What is our learning? Just a writing program, errors. As many more errors we find. Remember, if you don't find compile time errors and runtime errors from your program, that day you learn 0, nothing. Listen. Now, my name contain HariKrishna. Press enter. Hari only will come, HariKrishna both will come. Only Hari will come. Using scanner, you can read multiple values at a time with a space separator, and the next method return only first value. That is a functionality. Why and that is a functionality. Scanner supports two functionality: read one value or enter multiple values. From these multiple values, one value read and return. So next method will return complete line or return only first word. First word. If you want to read second word, you have to repeat the next method second time. As many words are there, those many times you have to repeat. Next, you have to repeat. Or you want to read complete line at a time, you have to use what? Next line. Observe. Name equal to SCN dot next line. Save it. Control 1. Compile. Control 2. Executed. HariKrishna. HariKrishna. Understood? Tell me, what is the difference between next and next line? Both are meant for reading string data, but next method returns only first word, whereas next line returns complete line. Okay, write it. Write on this line also. Here, output is HariKrishna. Next returns only Hari. Next line returns HariKrishna complete. What? One line completely, whatever you type, everything it returns. Next line meant for reading complete one line. Down right. The difference between next and next line is next line is next method returns, next parenthesis have written. The difference between next and next line is next method returns only one word. Next method returns only one word up to space. Up to space. Whereas next line method, don't write next to line of space separated method name. Whereas next line method returns complete line. Returns complete line until enter key characters. Complete line until enter key characters. until enter key characters. Okay na? Now one more program I want you to write. Write a program or develop a program. Develop a program. Develop a program to read. Develop a program to read number and name of a student. To read number and name of a student. Develop a program to read number and name of a student. Write down yourself. Write down yourself. I already explained how to read number, how to read name. Now combination both. First, everyone should try, sir. How much you can write. Don't sit silently. You are want to become programmer, right? ఎంత రాయలేదు అంత రాయండి అంతే. సైలెంట్ కూర్చోవద్దు. ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ సెమీకోలన్ కామన్ ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ సెమీకోలన్, ఇది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ రా, దీంట్లో ఏముండవు. సెమీకోలన్ ఇది క్లాస్ కాదు కదా, దీనికి బాడీ ఉండదు. ఇదేం చెప్తుంది, ఈ క్లాస్ని ఈ ప్యాకేజ్లో తెచ్చుకో అని చెప్తుంది. ఇది ఏంటి కంటే ఇదేమి వేరే వాళ్ళని కలిపి ఉండదు. ఇట్ డజంట్ కంటైన్ ఏ అదర్ పర్సన్. ఇది క్లాస్లో మెథడ్ ఉండేది కాదు, ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ రాయాలి. మెథడ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ రాయాలి. అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్. ఇదేం చెప్తుంది, ఈ స్కానర్ క్లాసు ఈ ప్యాకేజ్లో ఉంది, ఇది తెచ్చుకుంటుంది. అంటే ఇది ఒక సెంటెన్స్ అంతే. సెంటెన్స్ కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ విత్ సెమీకోలన్. అర్థమైందా? పైన రాసావు, ఏడవడేది రాసావా? ఏం చూస్తున్నావురా నోట్స్ని? మరి నాకు టైప్ చేసింది రాయట్లేదు, నువ్వు నచ్చింది రాసుకున్నావా? ఎన్ని మిస్టేక్స్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్. మరి దీనికి ఏం రాసావు? Every statement must ends with semicolon, right? System.out.println, don't write SOPLN. SOPLN. Don't waste ink. Hello, in the system, don't write SOP. In system, you have to type fully. In notes, write shortcuts. మీకు రాయటం చేత కాబట్టి పక్కన వాడి దగ్గర కాపీ చేయండి. వాడికి కూడా చేత కాబట్టి వాడి ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మానేసేయండి. ఫైండ్ ఏ పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ దాన్ యూ. రిమెంబర్, యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ప్రోగ్రామర్, రైట్? Programmer means you should always write program. If you are unable to write program, find a best friend who can help you. If your friend is also a waste fellow like you, cut friendship. Find a person who is intelligent than you. It's very important. You want to grow up, find always better person than you. Sir, go back to previous program once, please. Everyone, previous program once open. Here what you enter? HariKrishna. Enter key, right? Listen, everyone. Look at the screen, everyone. Stop writing, look at screen. Enter number, you enter what? Hari space Krishna. This is what? Enter key. Next method, read only Hari. Next line method, read HariKrishna, including enter key characters. అర్థమైందా? Why? Next line, it should read complete line. Complete line means what? Including enter key characters. Then the scanner object, enter key characters are remain or not remain? Not remain. Next int method, leaving the enter key characters. But next line method reads including enter key characters. Okay, na? That's why I write on this. This enter key, enter key. And flow of execution, next method reads only up to Hari. Next line method reads complete data, including enter key characters. No, when you press enter, complete data will go to scanner, na? Next method reading from console or from the scanner object? Next method reading from console. SCN dot next int or next line or any methods reading data from where? Scanner only. When you press enter, the data is coming into scanner object. From the scanner object, next method read only Hari. Space Krishna is remind. It is there in the scanner object. Okay. Next line method, what is doing? The data coming to scanner, complete data it is reading. Okay. Why remove? It will be there in the scanner. How much data you read? Only Hari. Remaining space and Krishna will be there in the scanner object. Okay, no? Everyone, complete data writing? Okay, let me try. Now tell me, in the real-time applications, we will read data only, number type? No. Only string type? No. Both combination. So how to read combination data? That's what I'm trying to understand here. Listen. First, we have to create scanner object SCN equal to new scanner. Just compare the way you written and I have written. Always remember, once I write the sentence, check yourself. In your notes also, you have written same way. Capital letters, small case, spaces and comma, semicolon. Everything I have written. Compare. Don't be lazy. Now, scanner class, if you want access, I should show the path. Import Java dot. Here I am writing space dot. Why you don't have that common sense? Like a blind people you are acting here. Blind people are more intelligent than you people. Import, what is there? Read every character out. Import space. Don't write import. Import space. Java dot util dot Java dot util dot scanner or star. Okay, anything I can write. Tell yourself, speak yourself. Be a expressive person. Then connected to keyboard. Next, I should ask the user to enter number. Enter number. Then I want read that number. Int number equal to SCN dot next int. What are you seeing here? SCN dot next int method. Read the data from the console or read from the scanner. In the scanner, data is available. No. Program pass. Then on the console, cursor blinking. I entered 101. Press enter key. 101 came to scanner object. From the scanner object, next int method reading 101 and stored in number variable. Don't write just a program. Flow of execution of this line. Background, what it is doing also you should know. Okay. Then next. System dot out dot print of double quotes enter name. Now how to read string name equal to SCN dot. I have two options are there. Next line. If I use the next, any problem? No problem. Problem there. It read only first word. But if I give the name with a space, is it reading or not reading? Not reading. Okay. Then what I have to use here? Next line. Okay. I will use that next line. One line gap I am giving. And then now down I am writing a message. After reading, what you have to do? Print. System dot out dot println double quotes you have entered colon. What you have entered? Number plus number. Next, name colon plus name. Okay, save it. Program ready. Read number name. Now compile. Open command run. Java C. Read name number name dot Java. Any syntax mistake? No. Compile. Dot class file is created. Super. Next, execute. Java read number name class main method scanner object connected to console. Enter number message printed. Okay. Cursor blinking because of next in looking into scanner object empty circle no data. Then cursor is blinking. I entered value here 101. Press enter. Now the data going into scanner object 101. Enter key 101 read and stored inside scanner number variable. Next line enter name then printed. Next line next method call pass and asking to enter data. I am entering data HariKrishna. Press enter. It read and written only Hari. No, I want read complete data, complete line. What should I do? Okay, next method has a limitation. It can read only one word from the given line. I want complete name because name may contain space also. So name equal to I should call next line. Okay, na? Everyone sleeping? For a last year. రెడీయా నిద్ర వస్తుందా బాగా తిని రావాలి understood you have to eat full food tell me 2 hours I am completely eating your energy na by the time 11 o'clock you are going out 9 you are coming with full energy 11 you are going out with full of loss of energy no doubt in that 2 hours I will torture you 2 hours completely your brain and body will get tired that much you are working in the class that's why full eat gym work will do here now everyone look at here ready control 1 compile everyone ready control 2 101 ready press enter what happened 101 stored in number variable then enter name next line method is looking into scanner object data there no fast for reading HariKrishna yes or no अरे भाई बोल सका yes or no ऐसा ఏం జరిగింది నాకు తెలియాలి program execution paused not paused next method when I call paused next line method when I call not paused why because Java doesn't support next line method call with another methods okay na listen it's happened in Amirpet it happened in Amirpet one student asked his faculty it is shared by my student only there is a problem with the next line method when you call with other methods okay I know the reason why it is passed because of my internal memory diagram okay I know everything what is happening background I know it then my students went to the hostel generally all people are living in hostel only na he is interacting with other student then other student learn this topic his faculty has explained only with next method then he tried it compile execute and now it is coming 101 and HariKrishna now what is coming only Hari then the student went to the next day to the class and asked his faculty sir next is not reading complete sir I want with complete 2 words what to do use next line okay next day he used next line method okay save it now control 1 compile This is a very important point, sir. The thought process 101 program execution is not passed. Then the student went to next day, asked the faculty, sir, program execution not waiting, sir, to enter my name. Directly it is terminating. Java doesn't support. Java doesn't support. Then how to read name, sir? Use the next method. Okay, sir. Okay, use the next method. Save it. Control 1, compile. Control 2, execute. 101. Program execution passed. Then what about my Krishna with spaces, sir? Java doesn't support with spaces. Read by using underscore. Bonda? Will you accept it? Sir, in the project with space, how user will enter, sir? That's why read each name separately. Enter first name, enter second name, enter last name. No, sir, I want with spec. Java doesn't support, I am saying. Java supports. His brain is not supported. That's why I'm telling you, don't learn Java with automatically. Don't write just a comment. This line connected to keyboard. How it is connected? Internally, what is happening? Next line, next int method. Reading data from keyboard. How it is reading? Is it reading from the keyboard or from the scanner? Scanner. If it is reading from the keyboard, what I should write? System.in, not SCN dot. So that details completely, if you learn, you never face any problem. Whenever you are finding this kind of tricky points, you can easily find the solution. No one will teach you all these points in the company, sir. You have to analyze everything yourself. So now I am giving you 24 hours of the time to you guys. Why program execution is not passed here with the next line method, you have to find out. Already I have explained. Huh? Excellent. Because of enter key characters available in the scanner object. Listen, because of 101, we have entered 101. 101 going, enter key also going. Now the next int method reading only what? 101. Enter key characters are still available in the scanner object. Na? That enter key characters are reading by next line method. When the program execution is passed, that's point I'm stressing from morning, from the diagram. When program passed, when there is no data in the object. Now because of previous next int method call, enter key characters are left in the scanner object. When you call next line method, is it going to console or scanner object? In the scanner object, it found what? Enter key characters are available. Okay, then it is reading enter key characters and return to our program. Before enter key character, do you have any data? No data. Then what is written to our program? Empty string will be written. What written? Empty string will be written. Observe the memory diagram now and tell me, I explained or you only explained? The problem solution, who found? I found or you? Problem, who found? You only found. It's because of automatically with memory diagram. Of course, some students not found. They are slowly understand, no problem. Time will be taken. But how much deep you analyze the subject, that much easily you can find any problem solution. Look at the diagram now. Why program execution is not passed? Where is this? Look at this diagram. When I call next int method, what you send? 101, enter key. Then next int method reading complete data now, only 101. Only 101. No. Now look at here. Look at here. Now 101, and here program execution is not passed to read name value. Hence, we didn't get the name value display on the console. Why? I want this diagram will be more clear. Look at here. Here, what happened here? Now scanner object is connected. Now I have entered what? 101 enter key. 101 came. Next int method reading only what? 101 and return to the program and stored. In the scanner object, still we have enter key characters. Everyone visualizing now? When you call next line method, what it is doing? It is going to scanner object. Wow, it's a data available. What the next line method has to do? Read one line. How next line method knows one line I have to read? Because of enter key characters. Enter key characters found. Before enter key characters, do you have any data? No data. Then it taking what? Empty string and return and stored in our program. That's why program execution is not passed. Then what is the solution to this problem? Simple solution. make scanner object empty. Now call scanner SCN dot next line method 2 times. First next line method for reading first entry key characters. Okay, na? Remaining entry key characters first time. Second time you call next line method one more time and assign second line to the name variable. Then tell me, second time when you call next line method, do you have data na? No data na? No data. Then program execution is fast. Okay, let me show you in the system now. After next int method call, if you want to call a next line method, I have to call next line method how many times? 2 times. SCN dot next line you have to call here, assign to any variable or no variable? No variable. Leave it empty. For what purpose? Reading. Okay. Reading, enter key, characters, and making scanner object empty. And making scanner object empty. Now you are calling next line second time for reading name. Save it. Look at here. Program now. Compile successfully. Executed. Observe the flow now. Enter first number. Enter number. Number message is printed. Then now I entered 101. Press enter. 101 read by next in. Enter key characters are read by next line. Then scanner object is empty na? Now the program execution is passed. This program execution is passed because of first next line method or second next line method? Second next line method. Now I am entering H space K. Look at there, H space K coming or not? Yes. So finally, whenever you wanted to read data from the console, number and name combination with the next line method, how many times I have to call next line method? 2 times. First time for reading, enter key characters. Second time for reading our name data. Understood now? So don't get trapped by saying the message automatically. Each line you have to understand what is happening background. Okay na? Write down. Just question, right? What is the problem of SCN dot next line method and solution? What is the problem of SCN dot next line method and solution? I will upload notes with this image, everything. Okay, na? Up to today, whatever the points we have discussed, all slides notes I'll upload. Okay, na? And next, I want you write these notes. I want write these points, these notes, solution to scanner dot next line method call, and this diagram, everything you have to write clearly. Okay, na? So by tomorrow coming to class, can I expect all the people are have confidence on using scanner? Okay, tomorrow we are going to learn one more topic is there, reading character from the keyboard. Do you have any predefined method to read character from the keyboard? No. How to read character we will learn, and we will develop one project, complete project, object oriented project. Then we'll go for next chapter, operators. Tomorrow class is very important. Conclusion on the complete concept we will learn last one a month, 10 days. And then we are entering into the next topic. Don't miss tomorrow class, very important. Thank you. That's all for today class. And people who are asking for Google Classroom, wait. Akshay Chavan, why you want Google Classroom now? You are 116 number. Where you enroll late? Yeah, check with your admin. Check with your class admin, he will help you.
सर आपने आपको प्रोग्राम बताया सर नंबर नेम वाला कि बाकी प्रोग्राम के ठीक है, लेकिन ये प्रोग्राम सर पहले मतलब नंबर लिखो फिर बाद में पहले नेम लिखो फिर बाद में नंबर लिखो, तो मतलब सर
that time no problem.
ओके, अगर एक ही होगा तो ठीक है, अगर मल्टीपल मतलब नेम नंबर उसके लिए ये मेथड यूज कर सकते हो। एक ही होगा तो
हाँ,
पहले नेम फिर नंबर हो सकता है सर। नेक्स्ट मेथड इज व्हाई नॉट टेकिंग इंटर वैल्यू इंटर।
Next is meant for reading string characters, not line characters. It is meant for not reading complete line. It is meant for reading only characters. So that's why it is reading up to only characters. Next line it will not read. I mean line enter key characters it will not read. It will ignore it and pass the program. But next line meant for reading line. So it will consider, oh, one line, empty line he entered. You want to enter empty. That's why it's not, it's considering. Okay.
Then why next standard next?
That's what I'm saying. Next meant for reading line, reading characters. There are no characters. Line is not a character. Regular next method is meant for reading regular characters. It is not meant for reading enter key characters. Next method is not meant for reading line. It is meant for reading characters. When there is no characters, what it will do? It will wait. You want to learn core Java. Advanced Java class is going. Will you join or wait outside? Ignore it and wait outside. Core Java class is going on. Then you will come inside, right? Next line method meant for reading line. How it know it is a line? Enter key. Understand?
నెక్స్ట్ టైం తీసుకోకుండా ప్రింట్ వెళ్ళలేదు.
ట్రై చేసి చూడు నీ సిస్టమ్ ఏం జరిగింది. ప్రింట్ రాస్తే ఏం జరిగింది, ప్రింట్ రాస్తే ఏం జరిగింది చెక్ చేయండి. స్కానర్ త్రో చేయదు కాబట్టి తీసుకోండి. అవసరం లేదు, ఎక్సెప్షన్ రావట్లేదు కదా. ప్యాకేజ్ ఇంకొక ప్యాకేజ్
నెక్స్ట్ ప్యాకేజ్
కమింగ్ క్లాస్ అర్థమైంది. ఓకేనా? కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ అండర్స్టాండ్ యాక్సెప్ట్. హరి 01 అంటే ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్ నంబర్. ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్ మరి ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తాం? నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్ సరే నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్ నంబర్స్ వుడ్ రీడ్ బై యూజింగ్ స్ట్రింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ నార్మల్ డేటా బై యూజింగ్ అంటే చెప్పు.
ఇప్పుడు మనం బ్లాంక్స్ ఎంటర్ చేసినప్పుడు విత్ యూజింగ్ ద ఎంటర్ కీ కూడా సిస్టమ్ మీద ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇది మనము ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ కీ పేజ్ చేస్తాం కదా నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ కి, స్కాన్ మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ అని రాసినాం. అట్లా ఎందుకు రాసినాం సార్? అంటే నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రావడానికి స్పేస్
ఇక్కడ అర్థం కాదు.
ఎంటర్ ద బ్లాంక్ ఎంటర్ కి అప్పుడు మనం మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటాం. వీ కెన్ స్టోర్ ద వాల్యూ. సో మన వాల్యూ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇక్కడ బ్లాంక్ అయిపోతుంది మన డేటా, నో డేటా. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద ఎనీ నెంబర్స్, ఏ నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ 10 ఎంటర్ చేసినా మనకి ఇక్కడ 10 అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ ప్రింట్ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ మనకి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ప్రింట్ చేసినాం. సో స్పేస్ కూడా ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఓకే, that's why we are using enter key. సరే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎంటర్ చేసాం, బ్లాంక్ వచ్చింది. మనం
ఏం బ్లాంక్ నాకు అర్థం కాదు. బ్లాంక్ ఏంటి?
బ్లాంక్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ తీసుకోకుండా, ఇప్పుడు ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ చేయకుండా మనం నెంబర్ అనేది ఎంటర్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెంబర్ డిస్ప్లే. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ కి స్పేస్, నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ యూజ్ చేసినాం కదా సార్. వితౌట్ స్పేస్ ఆల్సో వచ్చింది హెచ్ స్పేస్ కే. అంటే ఇందుకు మనం ఎంటర్ కీ అనేది యూజ్ చేసినాం.
మీరు ఎక్కువ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు నేను చెప్పింది కాకుండా. మీకు నచ్చినట్టు ఆలోచిస్తే అర్థం కాదు జావా. నేను చెప్పినట్టుగా ఆలోచిస్తేనే అర్థమైంది జావా. మీరు వేరే పాత్రలు వచ్చారనుకోండి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎంటర్ కీకి నెక్స్ట్ లైన్కి ఏం సంబంధం? అక్కడ ఏం లేదు. మీరు ఆలోచించాల్సిన ఒకటే పాయింట్. నేను ఇంటీజర్ రీడ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటి మెథడ్ కాల్ చేయాలి. స్ట్రింగ్ రీడ్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ కానీ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ మెథడ్ కానీ వాడాలి. నెక్స్ట్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? ఇట్ విల్ రీడ్ ఓన్లీ కంప్లీట్ నేమా, ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్? ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్. నా కంప్లీట్ లైన్ రీడ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఎవరిని వాడాలి? నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. అర్థమైందా? అంతవరకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, రేపు మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. చెప్పండి.
String in command line Metric,
String
command line metric.
Huh.
So,
args of 0
but we don't parse.
not required. String already coming data as a string, na? Then parse is not required.
Sir, directly write the string A is equal to
Args of 0.
args.
Hmm. Madam.
Can you bring?
Online students, any more questions? Veena Prasanna, next line method will not take only first name. That is your mistake. Save it and compile again. Why?